How much is 3 pure down? 3.
How much is that for just?
For just. Or maybe 50 or 150 or 100. I don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channels. I'm Theresa and here is
Favor Sparks.
Favor Sparks. For those of you too. One of Lori. So guys, today we are on the street of the Lori. We want to do a content, but we've done something like that before. A year ago. I'll put in link in the description box in case you want to check out the video. So we did some beach videos, some street food videos, and we spent approximately 1,250. As at then, it was $3.
So last year, we did a challenge with $3. What $3 was last year in the street of the Lorraine. So we want to try it again in 2024 and see what $3 get us in this point. So join us as we go. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it. Let's go.
So guys, instead of 1,050, we ended up spending 1,500 naira. And guess what? Just guess what in the comment section.
One is just in this. One is look at Ma? Ito. So,
How is market, sir? Between last year and this year, the difference was
Also guys, at some point we lost some of our audio, unknown to us. Our mic wasn't working, but we're not aware. So after getting the ito as the case may be, we got oranges, but not to worry, we'll still talk about this at the end of the video, showing you guys all what we got with their prices. But here we got these oranges for 50 naira. Like before the inflation and everything, if you bargain for 300 naira, they'll sell it. But right now they did not. Instead, they sold it for the price. Even if you are buying 10, it's 50 naira. Then here we got yogurt. So guys, this yogurt you are seeing on the screen is not 50 naira, which was the initial price. Like, just watch till the end of this video. But initially the price of this was 50 naira, I mean before the inflation. But right now it's something else. After then we got carrots. So that carrot Favor is holding is 100 naira, which was 50 naira initially. Like, even as our last year, which was 2023, because this video was shot in February 2024 in Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria.
What you want to see? Tell us the rice.
naira. How much?
200.
Everything's 200 like this.
200, 300.
Wow.
Which one?
Which one? 200, 300, 150. Ah, for the 150.
So, bomb meat pie. Is it meat pie or fish pie? Yes, ma'am. Meat pie or fish pie?
Five. Nothing there inside. Nothing there inside.
Wait, let's open it. Let's open it.
It's a surprise. Open it, open it.
Surprise pie. It's carrots like this side. Flower pie.
Let me. Only 200. Yeah.
What's this?
Kununa.
Oh, just one.
Kunaya. Mommy last year, the man tell tell. Koko di 200. The man tell tell. Wow, 2,100 enter. 100 naira. I know it was not this expensive.
So I buy kunu for 200 naira.
Ha.
How much is 3 pure down? 3. This one I said is not full.
Why are they finish for this
So
country?
guys, we're left to 15 naira.
What did I finish?
100 naira. Let's see. Let's see. Ah, mommy.
The water is not full.
Nigeria.
You supposed to say, as I when we did the video last year, the water was 20
The price of
naira.
water has reduced.
You can see. But now, wow. Wow. Eshema.
So guys, we're left to 15 naira. Hold on. Wait, now this one 15 naira. Now this one. Eh? 15 naira. Sharp got the butter my bread. So guys, this is our last morning. 15 naira.
So guys, we are back. So we show you guys what we got. Everything we got 1,500 naira. 1,500 naira. Guys, initially in Ilorin, with 500 naira, you can prepare a pot of soup. But right now, even with 500, you can't even buy fish to cook the soup. So you know what it is. So this is kunaya, Abi.
Yeah, yeah.
200 naira.
200 naira.
When I asked the woman selling it, she said initially, as of last year, this was 100 naira, but now it's 200 naira.
Double the price.
Double the price. This one 200.
200 naira.
Initially, this guy was like 100 naira. 100 naira. It's now 200. Okay. What's okay? Then we bought this one.
Pie.
Surprise
It's not
pie.
It's not meat pie. Pie. Like
Just
pie.
pie.
Just pie.
Let me bring it out for you guys to see very well. This is it.
Just pie. There's nothing.
200 naira.
Pie.
Nothing. 200 naira.
They also got dates.
We also got dates.
How many? This 4. We have 4 pieces of dates.
50 naira.
This 15
These
naira.
are the cheapest we even got.
50 naira.
50 naira.
Dates.
Then we got cherry, agbalumo, like we call it in Nigeria.
Apple star.
We got 4 for 250. In fact, she said 3 for 250. You know, we had to negotiate as Nigerians that we are. What's the next thing?
Orange.
Okay, we bought orange,
This 3 piece of orange.
150.
Small orange. Oh.
Small orange, 50 naira.
150.
Then we bought carrots, 100 naira. Guys, this was like 50 naira before, but now 100 naira.
Can we go? You got. This you got 150. You got 50 naira. 50 naira. This you got. now 150. It's not funny. And
It's not funny.
You got safe name.
So like this is like the last thing we got. Favor said it's Itowo. The woman we bought it from says it's Ito. While growing up, my mom to buy this from Kogi. It's common among Kogi people. So the last time I did a video, like 2 years ago, I asked 3 of my Kogi friends, and they gave me different names for this thing.
I can't remember the names, but I know they told me three different people told me 3 different names. So this thing are like staff or Kogi, so they have different names for it.
Do you like it?
Of course, I like it though. When my mom do by that time, even she hide it. We'll go and look for it and still take out and eat out of it.
You ransack everywhere.
Yeah, normal thing. So guys, let us know how much you can get some of this stuff in your area, or let us know the prices of things in your area, how much they've increased. Is it by 10%? Is it by like now everything has increased by like 100%? So let us know down there in the comment section, because that was the main essence of this video, so that we'll be able to compare and contrast. I will put a screenshot of what we got when we did the other video with just 1,250, but now we spent 1,500 and it's not even up to what we got with 1,250 for you to know how things are now in Nigeria. So thank you for watching to this point. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification, like, share, comment, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Peace out.
Agba. Na celeb. Start.
Oya bẹ̀rẹ̀ table.
No be you.
Ọ̀tẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀.
You don't see my thing.
Why are they laugh?
You don't forget to make sure.